This is the lake that we usually go and walk. Oh, there are geese, ducks. Oh my God. We usually come and walk here. Very beautiful pa rin. Oh my God, there are lots. They are all there. There are really lots.